Good morning, grade 4. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? Today, let's learn how we can multiply money. Multiplication of money is the same as multiplication of any two numbers, but just keep in mind that while doing the calculation, whenever 100 paise is crossed, you have to carry it over as 1 rupee. Now, let's see how we can do the multiplication of money with some examples. Let's see the first question. Multiply 435 rupee 60 paise by 12. So, the first step is to write the numbers in the proper way for the multiplication. So, we have written it here. Here we have 435 rupee and 60 paise. So, for the ease of calculation, while doing the multiplication, you can just ignore the dot in between and continue with the multiplication. And in the final answer, you can put the dot after two places from the right. So, let's see how we can calculate this. So, here we'll start the multiplication from the extreme right. So, here we have 2 into 0 which is equal to 0, then 2 into 6 which is equal to 12, a carry over 1 to the next place. Now, 2 into 5, 10 plus 1, 11. Now, a carry over here. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Now, 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So, there we have the first product. Now, the next step is to multiply this one with each of these digits here. So, let's do that. 1 into 0, 0. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 5, 5. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 4, 4. So, here putting 1 0 to correct the places. Now, we got the two products. Now, the next step is to add these two products. So, let's do the addition. Here it is 0, 2, 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. I carry over 1 here. Now, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12. Again, a carry over and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So, what is the final answer? The final answer is 522720, and here we have put the dot after two places from the right. So, 1, 2. Here we have put the dot. So, what is the final amount? The final amount is equal to 5227 rupee 20 paise. So, the amount 435 rupee 60 paise when multiplied by 12 gives you a total amount of 5227 rupee 20 paise. Hope this is clear to you. We'll see one more example. This is a word problem. If the cost of an ice cream tub is rupees 125, what will be the cost of 4 similar tubs? So, what is given in the question? The cost of one ice cream tub is given. How much is it? It is an amount of rupees 125. We are asked to find out the cost of 4 similar tubs. So, we have the cost of one tub. We have to find out the cost of 4 tubs. What can we do here? Just multiply the cost of one tub with 4 and we'll get the final amount. So, let's see the steps. So, from the data given in the question, let's write the steps as cost of one ice cream tub is equal to 125 rupee. Then cost of 4 tubs is equal to 4 into cost of one ice cream tub, and that is equal to 4 into 125 rupee. Now, let's do the multiplication. So, like I said before, for the ease of multiplication, first we can ignore the dot in between which separates the rupee part and the paise part. Then, continue with the multiplication like the multiplication of any two numbers. Then, in the final answer, you can put the dot after two places from the right. So, here we have the amount is 125 rupee and hence the paise part is 0, 0. So, we have written 0, 0 here. 4 into 0 equals 0. 4 into 0 equals 0. Now, 4 into 5 is equal to 20. I carry over 2 here. Now, 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. I carry over here. 4 into 1 is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. Now, let's put the dot in the final answer. So, after two places from the right. So, count two places from right to left. So, 1, 2. So we are putting the dot here. So what is the final amount? The total amount is equal to 500 rupee. So the cost of 4 tubs of ice cream is equal to 500 rupee. So hope these questions are clear to you. Now we'll do one activity. This is from exercise 12.2, which is in page number 168 of your textbook. You can turn to that page. The first question is to multiply, and question 1a is to multiply 78 rupee 50 paise with the number 12. So you please pause this video, work out this question and then come back. Hope you are done with that question. Now let's see how we can do the multiplication. So the given question is 78 rupee 50 paise. So let's write it like this without dot in between, and then the number 12. Now 2 into 0 is equal to 0. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. A carry over 1 here. Now 2 into 8 is equal to 60 plus 1, 17. A carry over 1 here. 2 into 7 is equal to 14 plus 1, 15. We have got the first product. Now the next one. 1 into 0 equal to 0. 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Then 1 into 8 is equal to 8. Now 1 into 7 is equal to 7. Adding a 0 to the end to correct the columns and places. Now adding the two products, we get 0 plus 0, 0. Again here also 0. 7 plus 5, 12. Writing 2 here. Carrying over 1 to the next place. Then 8 plus 5, 13. Plus 1, 14 here. Again I carry over to the next place. 7 plus 1, 8. Plus 1, 9. So we have got the final product. Now we have to put the dot at the correct place to separate the rupee part and the paise part. So counting 2 places from the right to the left. 1, 2. Put a dot here. So what is the final amount? The final amount is 942 rupee 0 paise. So the amount 78 rupee 50 paise when multiplied by 12 gives you the total amount 942 rupee. So children, I hope now multiplication of money is clear to you. Now you can go through this topic multiplying money in page number 167 of your textbook. This goes to the topic once again. Then you have to move on to exercise 12.2 and complete the questions 1b to 1f and also the word problems question number 3 and 5 from the same exercise 12.2. So once you are done with the questions, you can take a picture and send us through Teams. So that's all for today. We'll see in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.